What if I told you that one Indian EV startup quietly went from a college project to beating giants like Ola Electric and finally getting listed on the stock market? This is the story of Ather Energy, one of the most important players in India's electric revolution. Back in 2013, when electric vehicles in India were barely a conversation, two IIT Madras graduates, Tarun Mehta and Swapnil Jain, decided to build India's first truly smart electric scooter. From receiving 45 lakh rupees from the Technology Development Board and early backing from Sachin and Binny Bansal to Tiger Global's $12 million investment, Ather steadily built momentum. In 2016, it unveiled its first electric scooter, the S340. By 2018 and 2019, it launched the 450 series and began expanding charging infrastructure in cities like Bengaluru and Delhi. During this phase, Hero MotoCorp made a strategic bet on the company. Over time, Hero kept investing, eventually raising its stake to nearly 40%. Between 2020 and 2023, Ather scaled aggressively. It raised capital from GIC, NIIF, Tiger Global, Caladium, and Innoven Capital. It signed an MOU with the Tamil Nadu government for a 400,000 square feet manufacturing plant in Hosur. It expanded its portfolio with the 450X, 450 Plus, and later the 450 Apex. By the end of 2023, it had rolled out its 200,000 EV. But growth wasn't smooth. The company faced government scrutiny over FAME subsidy claims. It dealt with its first fire incident at an experience center, and leadership changes, including the exit of CFO Deepak Jain. Despite this, Ather continued expanding. It partnered with Hero MotoCorp for an interoperable fast charging network, secured BIS approval for its indigenously developed charging connector, ventured into auto insurance distribution, launched Express Care with 60-minute servicing, and made its international debut in Nepal. Then came 2025. Ather crossed a major milestone. It surpassed Ola Electric in both sales and market share. It climbed to the third spot in India's EV two-wheeler segment with a 17% market share. Soon after, Ather filed its DRHP, reduced its IPO sales to 2,626 crore rupees, and finally made its stock market debut at a premium. From a small startup in 2013 to a publicly listed EV company in 2025, Ather Energy's journey reflects India's electric mobility transition. The key question now is whether it can sustain this growth in an increasingly competitive EV market. For more such stories from India's startup ecosystem, stay tuned to Entrackr.